Okay fellas, we have the common Dewalt model DCD709, and this is after the repair time probably, because the the gear I say probably looks good, but the switch cannot be switched backward. This one hardly cannot be switched all the way, and as you can see now it's on the reverse mode and going to a normal direction, so definitely need to open it and check the things. It was done with this one, so here we have the positive here. Okay, so let's check. The gear is loose now. We need to open the housing. Okay, so this one was installed wrongly, and we have some real metal dead here. Okay, first of all I want to know if the switch is working normally or not. And it looks like you can't press the switch all the way. So let's try to check it. Oh, maybe it's all the way. It must be pressed. Okay, but it feels a little bit slower, I think. Okay, what we have here, we have some good amount of dust here. Okay, I think I have the motor from the pretty similar model, and you can see that the switch goes almost up here, and this one is just not going all the way here, so that looks a little bit strange. I think you can agree with me. Okay, let's try to check. Maybe we have some dirt or something here on the switch. and it feels like it's I don't know, like stuck or something here. Okay. Maybe let's try to push this out and check. I don't know what can be wrong here. So this one looks good. This one goes all the way here. I will spray this one with brake cleaner. Okay, so now let's just try to clean it here. I can see that this one can be pressed for a really long way, and okay, this one now don't have any dirt or something similar here, so I don't know, let's just try to push it, and still feels like it just stuck's not pressed all the way down. Okay, when I press this one with my finger, the ring is on the housing, and okay, let's try something, and it feels that the switch can go here. Okay. Let's try how the motor spins when I press this one. Okay, it's a lot of sound, it's nice and fast. Okay, now it's really faster than it was before. So what I can tell, we can try to assemble it back and check how it works probably. I'll just brush some dust here. Okay, we have the put it in, and I'm really happy about that. Okay, the speed changer is in a good position, and we have a hole here for the switch pin. Okay, so I will put the warranty sticker in case it will work. Okay. Okay, now I need to screw the gear IC, but okay, it feels a lot different now. Okay, let's screw the gear IC or the transmission box, I don't know how you name it, how you call it in your country. Okay, and now finally we can test it to check how the clutch works and so on. Okay, so now it looks working good, so probably it was the dirt here, and now we don't have dirt. It's working, and I will bring it back to the customer. For you, press thumbs up and thank you for watching. Now just saying bye.